a moral story for children ages 6 to 10 from Eastern Europe, specifically rooted in Polish and Ukrainian folktale traditions. The story features a classic East Slavic character, the Vovkulaka, a gentle wolfman, to teach emotional regulation. In a Carpathian village lived Danilo, a kind boy with a terrible temper. When his sister broke his toy, when his grandma asked him to pick mushrooms, his anger flared like a hot ember. "You are like a little stove," his mother said. "Warm, but keep the door shut." One day, after throwing his spoon in rage, Danilo saw gray fur grow between his fingers. His grandma whispered, "Deep in the forest lives the Vovkulaka, a man who became half wolf because he never controlled his anger. Change, Danilo, starts inside." Next day, a boy named Fritz laughed at Danilo. "You can't even tie your shoes." Something snapped. Danilo's teeth grew long. His hands became paws. A real growl came from his throat. He ran into the forest. Under an old oak sat a figure with silver hair and an iron bell that made no sound. "I am the Vovkulaka," he said. "I was once Bodan. I pushed my father in anger and became neither man nor wolf forever. Now you have begun the same path, little one. Pass the 3 gates before dawn," said the Vovkulaka, "and the fur will fall. First gate, bite your tongue and count 7 pine cones." Danilo did. The growl faded. Second gate, when you want to hit, splash cold water on your face. Danilo did. He laughed. Third gate, sit on the lonely rock. Feel your anger without acting. Danilo whispered, "I don't want to be a wolf." The gate crumbled into flower petals. He was still hairy, but the change had stopped. At dawn, Danilo was still half wolf, but his fingers had returned. "Will I ever be fully human?" he asked. Bodan gave him a white feather. "Every time you control your anger, more fur falls. Every time you shout, fur grows back. You will never be the same, and that is good. Now you know. Anger is a fire. A small fire warms. A big fire burns the home. Touch this feather when the ember grows. Soft things have power too." Danilo walked home. His mother hugged him, fur and all. 3 days later, Fritz tripped Danilo twice during a festival race. "You still look like a half-dog." The ember exploded. Fingernails thickened. Jaw cracked, but Danilo remembered. Bite tongue. Count 3 honeycakes. He splashed water on his face. Then he sat on the well's edge. "Fritz, I want to push you, but I will not. I choose to be Danilo, not the wolf." Fritz's mouth fell open. "I'm sorry," he said. The fur on Danilo's back fell off like dry leaves. That evening, Danilo saw the Vovkulaka at the forest edge, but Bodan's silver hair was shorter. His legs were straight. His iron bell was ringing, a happy chime. "Your kindness broke the spell on me too," Bodan said. "Anger is fast. It wants to jump out. Calm is slow, but slow water carves mountains." He walked toward the village lights. "My mother has been waiting 20 years. Danilo understood. Taming your anger doesn't just save you. It saves others too. "Where is the wolf?" friends asked. Danilo pointed to his chest. "Here. And the shepherd lives here too. Every time you are angry, you choose. Feed the wolf or feed the shepherd." His grandma added, "Anger comes like a storm, loud and fast, but damage lasts for days. When you feel the ember, put your hand on your heart. Breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Raz, DVA, try, chotyry. Anger passes like wind through a sieve." Moral. Anger is a fire. You are the keeper. Keep it small. Never become the wolf. Moral. Anger is a fire. A small flame warms the home. A wildfire destroys it. You are the keeper of the flame. Keep it small. Keep it safe, and you will never become the wolf. You are not bad for being angry, but you are brave for learning to tame it. That is the oldest magic in Eastern Europe. Older than wolves, older than forests. The magic of choosing peace.